Good morning, Quadcopter 101 here. What I got for you today is a review of the 20404 RC car, 1/20th scale. Now, it doesn't say who makes this, but I believe it's made by WLToys, actually, this 2404. What's special about this car is, notice it's got this wheelie bar on the back. This thing has a ton of acceleration, folks. So much so that it actually lifts up and does wheelies. So that's what the wheelie bar in the back is for. Very fast little car. It's a little 1/20 scale car. I believe it's predicted to be, well, they advertise at 45 kilometers per hour, but I don't know how realistic that is. But I've done an initial drive of this already outdoors, and it is fast. I'll just put it that way. Let's take a look under the hood and see what we got here. Again, this is a brushed motor car with heatsink on it. It uses a 500 milliampere hour battery. It's a little it's two gum pack batteries. If you remember the gum pack batteries from WLToys from a few years back on their quadcopters, their toy quadcopters, well, what they've done is they sandwiched two together here, inside here, two of those 500 milliampere hour to make a 7.4 volt battery to provide power for it. Now, it does provide efficient power for it, but it doesn't give you a long drive, in other words. And I just dropped the pin for that. I'll have to use another pin to hold that closed. But it doesn't give you a long drive time, unfortunately, because, you know, it's only 500 milliampere hours. But let's look on the other side here. This is to your servo. It has a nice servo up on front here. Gives very good proportional steering on this thing. The shocks on this, you know, they're individual shocks for each wheel. They're a little bit springy, but, well, you know, that's to be expected in this price range. But another thing you notice here is these are all metal alloy here, gold color. It looks actually pretty cool. So, you know, to strengthen this up, so this is a tough car. You know, it's not all plastic. It's actually reinforced with metal. Let's see, the other thing is, here's your battery plug for charging the battery. I like to charge mine while it's still in the car. It makes it easier to get that battery in and out. But before you drive, you plug in, and of course right there. It does have two ports here if you want to add LEDs to this. And this plug here goes to your motor to power the motor. So that's it. Let's go over the controller real quick. This is its controller, basic controller, on-off switch on the back, mode button there. You have steering trim right here, and it has throttle deal rates right there, and there's your steering and forward and back. So that's it in effect. Let's go for a drive of this thing and see how it performs. Hope you enjoy this drive. Okay, to turn this thing on, we're going to turn on the transmitter first. Then turn on the car, make sure we got connection. We do. So we're going to put it on the ground here, right there. And let's see if this thing really can do wheelies. Let's see, I'm going to set the throttle to high. Dual rate is set to high, and let's see. Well, it is fast. It does wheelies, folks. I'm going to take it over. Hold on. I'm going to take it over to concrete here so you can see it do wheelies. Because out here on the dirt, those wheels spin so fast that they spin out. But let's go over to concrete. And indoors, it'll do wheelies also. Hold on. Okay, I got it on concrete now. Hopefully, it'll do a wheelie for me here. Oh, come on. You did it indoors. There, almost. I guess, folks, today... Wow. It is fast. I'm going to give up on the wheelies, but I want to show you how fast this thing is. We'll go down here first. See if I can line it up here. Come out of there, come out of there. Point it toward me, and let's throttle it up. So fast that it spins out. Okay, I need a little bit of steering trim to the right. Let's try it again. It's so fast, super fast. Hold on, let's maybe go back over in the dirt again. Let's see if I can get it to go straight first. It's one turn to the right, so I'm going to adjust the steering trim to the left. Still more steering to the left. Okay, there we go. I'm not giving it full speed yet. You go full speed in this thing, it takes to the air. It is fast. Takes to the air. Fast little bugger. See if I fixed it. Now here, you know, it's not very dirt resistant. If you can hear it, it has some dirt, and it sounds like there's some dirt stuck between the gear teeth. So keep that in mind. The way I get it out is, if I get dirt stuck in the gear teeth, do one of these deals. And the other way, same with the back wheels. I don't know if this is appropriate to do or not, but that's what I do. That seems to get the gear and cleans up the gears. But let's see if that goes again. Fast little bugger. Try to bring it in close so you can see it. So, very fast little car. You're going to need, wow, let's do that some more. And there we go. Yeah, its gear teeth seem to pick up sand particles pretty easy. Let's jump it. So to sum it up, you know, this one here, very fast little car. Very, very fast little car. But I would recommend, if you can stay on concrete, keep it on concrete. Keep it off, because it is sensitive to dirt. As you can see, I've had some problems here. It gets dirt into the gears very easily. Here we go again. And when that happens, you got to clear out the dirt. Well, that last one there, the dirt's stuck in there good. I'm going to have to open it up to get it. But again, you know, fast, very fast little car. The big deal is it's not good in dirt, because dirt gets into the gears very easy. You're going to want to ride this on asphalt, like a parking lot, to get the most joy out of it. So, hope you enjoyed this drive. It's Quadcopter 101, signing out.